And as you guys see, there's the M floating here.
Yeah, the M
and
is
there's
floating.
one here, like barely touching the water. Welcome to Corban's Fun Learning Adventures. Hi, welcome to Corban's Fun Learning Adventures. I'm Corban. That's Mommy holding the camera.
Hello.
And today we're going to be doing a floating letters with M&Ms experiment. This is what you need. You need a bowl, M&Ms, and water.
All right, let's get started.
Stay tuned. So, first thing you have to do, you have to put the M&Ms in the bottom of the bowl. Make sure the M&Ms are facing up.
Okay, make sure the M is facing up.
I'm trying to get this one so the M is not facing to the side.
Okay.
This one keeps moving.
Keep turning. And then
Settle.
you want to space them equal distance apart.
Where's the? Oh, there's the M. And the last one.
All right, good job. Now we'll go to the next step.
This one outside.
All the M's are facing up. Good job.
Now I'm gonna pour slowly. And we're just gonna cover the M&Ms.
All right, you're gonna pour the water in. The water's gonna cover the M&Ms.
Oh wow!
Just like that. All right, now we're gonna wait. How long, Corbin?
10 to 20 minutes.
All right, we're gonna wait 10 to 20 minutes and we're gonna observe what happens. We'll be back. So they've only been in here for 1 minute and look, the color is starting to fade. Wow. All right, let's wait a little bit longer. All right, so it's been about 15 minutes.
And as you guys see, there's the M floating here.
Yeah, the M
and
is
there's
floating.
one here, like barely touching the water.
Yeah, so we see 2 M's that are floating, and the reason why is because the M's are not water soluble, and that means that it's not able to be dissolved in water. But the dye on the M&Ms, you see the dye there, that is water soluble, so that is able to be dissolved in water. So that was just a neat, fun experiment there, and we hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you next time.
Thanks for watching. Bye. I'm gonna eat it.
Thanks for watching, and remember
Oh,
to
look,
subscribe.
it's
Ooh, how's it taste?
It's like chocolate.
Okay, cool. I see the M there. All right, bye guys.
See you in the next video. Bye.